last one for section 2. We're going to find the average rate of change, which we've done before, I believe in section 1 of module 1. Is we want to, here's the times of this Ares V rocket, okay, and then here's acceleration when it's carrying 75 tons of supplies and 4 astronauts to the moon, or even possibly to Mars. And so we're going to look at this table, and here's the time in seconds, and then here is our acceleration, okay, in g-forces. So we want to first find the average rate of change, okay, so we can sketch the graph and estimate. So again, we can go to our stat and edit and put in list 1, put in this one. So put in that as our L1, put in this as our L2, and we can go ahead and graph those on that. And then we can go ahead and check our results. So let me go ahead and put that in there, and then we get this graph right here. So it looks something like that. So we have those plotted points. And so if I want to estimate the average rate of change, then at what's the difference between 200 at 200 seconds and at 0 seconds, then I can just find the slope between those two, right? So I can just take the y value at 200, which it gives me, which is 2.2, and then I can plug in at 0, the g-force is at 1.34, and I can subtract those, and then I can take the difference of my x's, right? Slope is the difference that your change in your y's over the change in your x's, right? So I take the difference of my y's, which is given in this column. So 2.2 minus 1.34 divided by my difference of x is 200 minus 0. And I do that division, and I get my answer. That is my rate of change, my average rate of change between those two. Okay, and then we can go ahead and see. Next is interpret. What does that mean? So that means for every second that goes by, so every second that goes by, my g-forces increase at 0.0043 g's per second. So that's what it means. And then does the average rate of change from 0 to 200 seconds accurately describe the acceleration of launch? So does this happen during that launch, right? Is there something different? So justify your reasons there. So just the difference of your y's over the difference of your x's. You can use the table. Cool.